9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you want 11, 12, 13, 14. This is the way it is numbered. Can you see this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
This compound is anthracene. Now I give a task. What is the name of this compound? One, two benzanthracene. Because 3 carbons are anthracene, it is extra benzene. 1, 2 benzanthracene. Can you name that, sir?
Yes.
What is the name of this compound?
1,6,5,6 dibenzanthracene.
If you are putting an extra ring like this with the saturation, it is called cholanthrene. Anyway, all these polycyclic compounds are supposed to cause cancer, hence they are called carcinogenic. They are there in the tobacco smoke. Therefore, I already advised you not to smoke too many cigarettes. Okay?
Yes,
If
sir.
you are smoking too many cigarettes, this is the problem. And they bring about changes in DNA that is called mutation. DNA is a genetic material and that triggers cancer. So that is carcinogenicity. And next, what are the characteristic reactions of benzene? What are the reactions? What are the characteristic reactions of alkanes? Hello? What are the reactions of alkanes?
Combustion.
Combustion. Free radical
Addition reaction.
substitution.
Substitution.
What are the reactions of alkenes?
Addition reaction.
Addition, yes, sir. Addition.
Electrophilic addition reaction.
Electrophilic addition reactions. What are the characteristic reactions of alkynes? They can be electrophilic addition. Also, they undergo nucleophilic addition. Electrophilic addition starts with electrophile that has positive charge. Nucleophilic addition starts with the nucleophile that has negative charge. What are the reactions of benzene? Characteristic reactions?
Electrophilic aromatic substitution.
Aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions. They are called ARSC reactions. Benzene is reluctant to undergo addition reactions because it loses aromaticity. To be aromatic, the Huckel rule is to be obeyed. As per Huckel rule, how many electrons are required to be aromatic?
4n plus 2 pi electron.
Where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Now, what is the electrophile? That which has positive charge. Cl plus, NO2 plus, CH3 plus, CH3CO plus. Anything that has plus charge is electrophile, H plus. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for example, you have chlorine. How to get Cl plus ion? You want to make an electrophile. You have CH3Cl. How to get CH3 plus? Because you want electrophile. You have CH3COCl acetyl chloride. You want to have CH3CO carbocation. All these electrophiles you want to generate. How to generate? Why you want to generate?
Cleavage.
Yeah. To bring about heterolytic cleavage, you add aluminum chloride. Or for that matter, any compound like aluminum chloride, FeCl3, BCl3. These are called Lewis acids. The Lewis acid will take away the Cl minus from the given compound element or compound, so that you always get AlCl4 minus. Along with AlCl4 minus, you get Cl plus, you get CH3 plus, you get CH3CO plus. So in order to generate electrophiles, you are using Lewis acid. Reactions which require Lewis acid are called what is the name?
Friedel-Crafts reactions.
So in Friedel-Crafts reaction, if you are putting Cl chlorination, if you are putting Br bromination, if you are putting iodine iodination, if you are putting CH3, it is called alkylation. If you are putting CH3CO, it is called acylation. So Friedel-Crafts reactions are there. Take benzene, put chlorine and FeCl3, for example. Happily you get chlorobenzene. Instead of the H plus is replaced by Cl plus. The H plus will take away the Cl minus to give HCl. You take, for example, benzene. You know, everywhere there are hydrogens. All hydrogens are identical.
One hydrogen.
And you react it with methyl chloride in presence of AlCl3. Urgently, CH3 plus will go on and replace H plus. The Cl minus will get out as HCl. For example, you take benzene, take CH3COCl, acetyl chloride and AlCl3. And H plus is replaced by COCH3, get AlCl4 minus. Ladies and gentlemen, all these reactions are Friedel-Crafts reactions. They require Lewis acid catalyst. They do not disturb the double bond system in benzene. Only simply they replace the H plus. If you take excess of chlorine, and put AlCl3, not only one hydrogen, but all the hydrogens are replaced by Cl.
Yes, sir.
Benzene hexachloride. Sometimes there is a trick. You take a propyl chloride and you take benzene, also put AlCl3. You expect AlCl4 minus to get out and you expect this product.
Propyl benzene.
But unfortunately, you will never get that.
Yes,
Why
sir.
like that?
Because
You will never get that because there's a
Secondary
problem.
carbocation is more stable than
In the first
primary.
step, yeah. In the first step, you get CH3. Yes, sir. Yes, Kanda. You get this carbocation. That yes, sir. That rearranges to give isopropyl carbocation. That attacks the benzene to give isopropyl benzene called cumene. Now I want you to examine. I want you to examine this textbook. Then I come back to you. Just examine this.
yes,
First, look at the carcinogenicity. Read this. Yes.
ఒకసారి అమ్మకి ఇవ్వండి మీరు బిజీగా ఉన్నారు కదా అమ్మ ఫోన్ కి కనెక్ట్ అవ్వండి
Sir, red, sir.
Hello? Hello? Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Sir, audible, sir.
Like a madman, I should not speak in air. Okay. Where is he? What we are doing? Yeah. Yes. Sir, these are compounds which are supposed to be carcinogenic, and we know their names. 1,2-benzoanthracene, 3-methyl-cholanthrene, that is 1,2-benzopyrin, 1,2,5,6-dibenzoanthracene, 9,10-dimethyl 1,2-benzoanthracene. All these compounds are to be familiar with you. They are all causing cancer. They are there in tobacco stream. So don't smoke tobacco. That's one point. Characteristic reactions of benzene are the the electrophilic substitution reactions. If you are putting NO2 plus on benzene, that is called nitration. To generate NO2 plus, you take a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid will give H plus to nitric acid, take away OH minus from it and make NO2 plus. So sulfuric acid is a proton donor, that is the acid. Nitric acid is unfortunately proton acceptor and a base, and ultimately it gives NO2 plus that attacks the benzene to give nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene is called oil of myrrhine. It has a pleasant smell. It is used to make perfumes. Nitrobenzene, yellow oily liquid. And if you are putting Cl plus on benzene using chlorine and AlCl3, chlorination.
Oh,
If you are putting SO3, SO3 itself has no positive charge, it is an electrophile. It is there in fuming sulfuric acid. Then you get sulfonic acid, benzene sulfonic acid, sulfonation. If you are putting methyl group, it is called methylation or Friedel-Crafts alkylation. If you are putting C2H5, it is called ethylation or alkylation, ethyl benzene. If you are trying to put 1-chloropropane, you can't put propyl group, you are putting isopropyl group. Isopropyl benzene is called cumene. Cumene is used in making perfumes. If you put 1 chloropropane, you are not getting N-propyl benzene, but you are getting isopropyl benzene because carbocation undergo rearrangement. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction is a reaction where you are putting COCH3 on benzene. COCH3 positive ion electropile can be generated by using AlCl3.
Yes.
Notice that instead of acid chloride, you can take acetic anhydride with the same purpose, either acetic anhydride or acid chloride. Because acetic anhydride is safe, it won't irritate your eyes. Acid chloride, acetyl chloride is very irritating to eyes. Both will give same result. If you take excess of chlorine, you get hexachlorobenzene. In the mechanism, if you see, the first step involves generation of electrophile. For example, your chlorine takes Cl minus from by AlCl3 and AlCl4 CH3 plus, AlCl4 plus CH3CO plus. The NO2 plus is produced by sulfuric acid. If you take nitration mixture, 1:1 mixture of nitric acid, sulfuric acid is called nitration mixture.
Yes, sir.
Notice that in nitration mixture, sulfuric acid is giving H plus and the nitric acid loses water to give NO2 plus, nitronium ion. Once you get an electrophile, whether it is a nitronium ion, whether it is a Cl plus, whether it is a CH3 plus, whether it is a CH3CO plus, the electrophile is being attacked by benzene pi electrons. So one of the carbon which binds to electrophile will become sp3 hybridase. The other carbon which is losing pi electron gets positive charge, carbocation. The positive charge is shared by all other carbons because, as you can see, pi electrons are flowing. So the positive charge is distributed on the benzene so that it gets stability. At the end, the hydrogen is lost because AlCl4 will take away H plus to give HCl and you are getting double bond. The reaction where actually H plus is replaced by electrophile is called as electrophilic substitution. The H plus can be taken away by either AlCl4 minus or HSO4 minus, anybody. Notice that this fellow which you are getting in the first step, this fellow is called sigma complex because here pi bond is converted into sigma bond as it binds to electrophile. Hence it is called sigma complex or erinium carbocation. Erinium carbocation.
Yes, sir.
So this is the way the reaction proceeds, Friedel-Crafts reactions. Very rarely if you force the benzene, for example, if you are adding hydrogen and nickel and heating, then the double bonds are broken up, hydrogen is added up. It is called addition reaction. Though benzene is not interested in addition, now you are forcing. Yes. You can force the chlorine to bind, you get hexachloro or benzene hexachloride.
Yes, sir.
This is called gamaxin that can kill ants and mosquitoes. Nowadays not in use. Benzene happily bonds with smoke to give carbon dioxide. In fact, benzene is it used to be added to petrol to improve quality.
Yes, sir. To reduce smoke.
Yeah. And one most interesting thing I would like to present is చేశాడు తర్వాత నేను ఫోన్ చేయమన్నాడు నువ్వు మాట్లాడుతున్నావుగా ఏదో ఒకటి చెప్దాం. The electrophile which is there on benzene, it says tomorrow you are going to marry a beautiful lady, okay. Tomorrow your wife is going to influence the way you live. You know that?
No, sir.
Do you know your behavior is influenced by your wife? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Some wives will encourage you to do good things. Some wives may encourage you to do bad things. Have you heard the story of Lady Macbeth?
No, sir.
Macbeth was a chief of army in certain kings, Macduff's kingdom. Macduff is the emperor and Macbeth is his general. He's a very nice man. So some other country declares war against the country where Macduff rules. So, all alone, Macbeth goes there because king was not doing well. So, all alone, he fights with enemy in his country, he wins. And when Macbeth is there in the interior side of the enemy's country after the successful triumph, the king health recovers and he plans, okay, I am coming back to the place where you are to congratulate you. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Sir, I'm in a
Yes, sir, we
class.
can
Can
hear.
you call me after some time? Thank you. I was wondering. So the Macbeth, who is there in the other country, he is being approached by Macbeth, the Macduff king, to appreciate his success. Then the Macbeth wife will encourage him. You are a stupid fellow. You are a brainless fellow. All alone, you conducted the fight and you won. Actually, the emperor could have lost his position had you were not there. In fact, you should be the emperor. Come on. So let us finish the dirty fellow and you be the king. Okay? That is the advice of Lady
Yes, sir.
Macbeth. What Macbeth will do then?
What, sir?
Macbeth sees a point in what she says. Yes, if Macbeth has not rendered his చేస్తున్నాడు ఇప్పుడు హలో
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, actually, it is a fact that Macbeth is the only man who plans, who really gives his life for the sake of his king, emperor, and he gives very good fight and he brings life to the king. That's true. Now, what Macbeth should do?
Appreciate.
Huh?
Appreciate the person.
His wife advises him, the emperor is anyway coming to your home, let us kill him and you be the emperor. Come on. You should be the emperor. Okay?
Yes,
Then Macbeth hesitates a lot, but he loves his wife. So,
he kills.
when the emperor comes to his home, he will kill him. Macbeth and Lady Macbeth together kill the emperor. And Macbeth will become emperor. Okay?
Yes, sir.
But after this killing, something interesting happens. We will not go there. We have to do our lesson. Stupid fellows. Anyway,
Yes.
what I was telling is, so this is called directivity, a group which is sitting on your neck. A group that is sitting on benzene would decide how the benzene should behave. Suppose if there is a group like OH sitting on benzene, the OH group is electron flowing into benzene due to resonance. So it will increase the electron density in benzene and makes it more reactive. And also, if you carefully see, as the electrons are flowing through the lone pair of electrons of oxygen into the benzene, it is getting a minus charge on second position and on fourth position. Can you see that, sir?
Yes,
Hello?
sir. Yes, sir. We can
Due to
see.
this, electrophile which is having positive charge would prefer second position, fourth position. The second position is called ortho position. Third position with respect to O is called meta position. Fourth position is called para position. The electron releasing group
Para
like
position.
OH, CH3, the OCH3, etc., which are electron releasing, they increase the electron density in position 2 and 4. So the next electrophile, if at all it wants to come, they direct the next electrophile to ortho and para positions. Hence, activating groups such as OH, OCH3, CH3, which direct the second electrophile to ortho para positions, are called orthopara directors.
Yes, sir.
Okay. They are also activating because they are increasing the electron density in benzene. Unfortunately, Cl is electron withdrawing by inductive effect because its electronegativity is more. It wants to siphon the electrons by inductive effect.
Yes, sir.
However, it has lone pairs. Lone pairs and conjugation will ask it to undergo resonance. So there are two opposing sides. You want to go to a cinema, your mother says no, your father says yes. Whom do you hear?
Sir.
Father, sir.
Huh? You obey your father because your father is favoring you. Tomorrow you want to eat ice cream in the midnight. Your father says, scoundrel, you should not eat in the midnight ice creams. You get cold and all. You don't eat. Your mother says, the boy is very, very nice. He never asks anything. Today he asked a little ice cream only. Okay, let him eat. What is that? Your mother says. Whose words you will obey? Hello?
Sir, mother's words.
You always play according to your tune. Okay. Notice that. So there are conflicting opinions. Like Cl has a conflicting mind. By inductive effect, it wants to withdraw. By resonance, it wants to release. Because it has lone pairs. So inductive effect dominates. So it is a deactivating group. However, due to resonance, it gives negative charge in second and fourth positions. So Cl is the only group, ClBri, these are the only groups which are deactivating, yet they direct the next electrophile to orthopara positions. Generally, deactivating groups are not like this. If you carefully look, NO2 is a powerful, perfect deactivating group. It will siphon the electrons out of benzene. When it is taking away electrons out of benzene, the second position is getting plus charge. The fourth position is getting plus charge. Through resonance, if somebody is taking away electrons from benzene, the second and fourth positions get positive charge. So the electrophile which has plus charge cannot come on the second position and fourth position. Therefore, they are called deactivating groups. They decrease electron density in benzene. However, if you force the electrophile to come, it will come to third position. Because on second and fourth position, there is positive charge. Electrophile which has plus charge cannot come there. It will come to third position. Hence, nitro is called meta-directing group. Deactivating groups are meta-directing. Activating groups are orthopara-directing. Only exception chlorine.
Yes.
Chlorine is deactivating by inductive effect. Still, it is orthopara-directing. That is the comment on that.
Yes.
So this is the group directivity. A group which is already sitting on benzene directs the next incoming electrophile to different positions. To which position it directs is called group directivity. On this, there are interesting IIT main and advanced questions. Before you answer those questions, I want you to by heart activating groups names: amine, secondary amine, amide, methoxy, alkoxy, methyl, ethyl, etc. ClBri, they are deactivating, still orthopara directing. Meta-directing deactivating groups: nitrocyano, aldehyde group, keto group, carboxylic acid, ester group, sulfonic acid group. You be familiar with their names. Okay? Okay.
Yes, sir.
You understood what
Okay,
is
sir.
carcinogenicity. You understood what is a deactivating
Yes.
group, what is the activating group. You understood what is the mechanism of the electrophilic substitution reaction. You understood what is Friedel-Crafts acylation. You understood what is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. You understood what is Friedel-Crafts acylation and nitration. And you also understood the benzene for electrophilic substitution. But under forced conditions, it may undergo addition reactions like reduction. Nickel and hydrogen will make cyclohexane. Chlorine in light will make gabaxane. And benzene is a carcinogenic material. So you studied everything about benzene. I want you to read the textbook thoroughly, line by line, word by word. Try to answer all the questions given at the end of the lesson. Once you complete all this, we will go for a drill. We have completed the topic called benzene. Now this is the end of the syllabus. Tomorrow and after tomorrow, I try to give you drill exercises on this topic. And let us see how nicely you can do. 5 fellows want to join now. Our class is almost over. Now they are joining. I don't know. Okay. It is
One
up
doubt,
to
sir.
you.
Sir,
Huh?
if-
I can disable
Sir,
the
can you
waiting room.
please?
Wait, just you wait.
Yes.
Just you wait. Henry. Just you wait. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. So now at this point of time, we are familiar with the concept what are organic compounds. Organic compounds are those which are containing mainly carbon as principal element. Of course, hydrogen is a common element. Most of the hydrocarbons have a characteristic reaction. They all undergo combustion. The equation related to combustion CXH5 plus X plus Y by 4H oxygen gives XCO2 plus Y by 2H2O. This is a valid equation for combustion of any damn hydrocarbon. Do you know that? Hello?
No, no, sir.
And you have alkanes, name end with N, alkenes, name end with N, alkynes, name end with ein, arenes which contain benzene.
Yes.
Their general formula CnH2n plus 2. Their general formula CnH2n, they have a shortage of 2 hydrogens. Their
Yes.
degree of unsaturation is 1.
One.
They have general formula CnH2n minus 2. Their degree of unsaturation is 2. And arenes have formula Cn. It is very complicated. You see, benzene is C6H6. It means it is supposed to be CnH2n minus 6. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very strange formula they have. And they undergo substitution reaction. They undergo addition reaction, substitution.
And
Okay. And somebody wanted to somebody wanted me to make a YouTube lecture on a Grignard reagent. This I am trying to make tonight.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what else can I do for you, sir?
can you please once more explain this activating and deactivating groups, sir? Once more.
Benzene reactivity is due to the electron cloud it has.
Yes, sir.
Anything that increases electron density is called activating group. The activating group increases the electron density by virtue of flow of electrons. For example, if you have a group like OH, the oxygen has 2 lone pairs. If you look at lone pair, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, conjugated system like this,
Yes, sir.
the electrons which are in conjugation can happily flow. When the pi electrons are going onto this carbon gets 3 bonds, so it will convert the lone pair into pi bond. Actually, this carbon is playing naughty. It is taking away pi electrons and getting minus charge because it is taking 2 electrons. Because it has taken the pi electrons, this carbon gets plus charge. To remove the plus charge, it is taking this electron pair. As oxygen has given off the lone electrons, it got positive charge. But as far as benzene is concerned, it is becoming electron rich. Now these electrons can flow like this as pi electrons are going there. Due to this type of movement, this carbon gets minus charge. Again, because this got minus charge, it can flow like this. Can you see that? Now this carbon gets minus charge. Oxygen got plus charge. Oxygen is unhappy with plus charge, so it will try to take away the pi electrons. When it takes, it comes here.
OH.
So phenol will have 5 resonance canonical forms through which the electron density in benzene is increasing. Anything that increases the electron density in benzene is called activating group. The activating group is actually generating minus charge in second position, 1, 2, and also in fourth position, 1, 2, 3, 4. Even this is second position. So the fourth and second positions become electron rich due to electron releasing group. They are called activating groups because they are activating the electrophile which has plus charge, prefers to attack second position or fourth position. Hence they are called ortho-para directing groups. As the releasing group is causing negative charge here, if you put a withdrawing group like NO2, it will generate plus charge in the places. When there is a plus charge and when there is a decrease in electron density, we say it is deactivated. As it is deactivated, ortho-para positions are getting plus charge. Therefore, electrophile attacks only relatively